What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are in fact having a great day today. That sun is bright. Today's video, we are hopping right back inside the LS400. Not on the LS400 because I already did everything. In the LS400, we are going to change my radio system. Now, the reason why I'm changing this radio is because, well, the lighting doesn't work, and I got this so-called tape aux cord that really doesn't work that well. I actually got this with the car, and you know, kind of surprising. I was playing this with my tablet and everything. That's why my music is on, and you know, this is shortened out already. So I'm going to be changing all of this, and plus, the light in here doesn't work. Like the letters and stuff, the letters and numbers and stuff up here on the screen, it actually works and everything. Volume works, all the buttons and stuff works, AM works, the tracking stuff, everything works. I just can't see anything at all when I'm like trying to change stuff. Same with the climate control and stuff. I can't see the, well, half of the lighting works. It's just that I can't see, like, it's bothersome. It's an eyesore. But yeah, we're not focused on a climate control system right now. I'm focused on the radio because I want music. So yeah, like I said, everything else works. It's just the lighting. I can't see anything. So what I'm going to do first is take off the negative pulse, and then after that, I'm going to be taking this off. I'm gonna have to put this in, I believe, neutral, so that way I can actually lift this up and out of the way and unplug this cigarette lighter. And then after that, I'm gonna have to use one of these plastic friendly tools, come behind here and pop both sides up and out of the way and unplug the two connectors that's back there. Then after that, it's going to be 2 screws at the top and 3 at the bottom that you're going to have to take out. How do I know all this? Well, I did it by myself. It was actually easy, to be honest with you. I haven't seen a single video on how to do it with this particular vehicle from 95 through 97. So if you guys are looking for a video like this video is for you. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this off camera and get back with you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, got the radio up and out of the way. This is the radio that you guys are gonna be looking for in your 95 through 97 LS400. And you guys are gonna have 4 connectors in the back, 3 connectors down here. You're gonna have 2, I think, antennas, I believe, I don't know. And then you're gonna have this clip right here that's gonna hold into this little bracket right here. You just push this little tab down there with like a pick tool, and then it should come out. So now what I'm going to do is test some wires to see which is negative, constant, and accessory. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that bad boy back in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my test light to see which is what. Now before I do all of that, I'm gonna show you guys the radio that I'm going to be putting in. This is the Boss Audio System Elite. This is the BV765 BLC. Now the reason why it says that, because there's different ones. Like, there's literally different ones. I got my so-called wiring harness, so so that way I won't be quote unquote splicing into anything, but I might end up having to splice because I already opened this and try to see which is what. And this is my aftermarket housing for the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick and I'll catch up with you guys. Alright guys, change of plans. So it appears that this wiring harness that they sent me that quote unquote fits the LS doesn't fit this properly. So I'm going to have to do some splicing on this one, considering that I see like which is what, and this basically is the main source so far as I know. Is this one? I don't know. I think these are the speakers. So I'm gonna leave that aside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and splice into this regretfully and see what I can come up with. But anyways, like I said, I got everything unboxed. This is the radio right here, and this is the backup camera that comes with it. That's gonna be in a separate video. I'll probably just do that. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so after a few hours of fiddling with this and trying to get it on, like turned on, I finally got it turned on. Check her out. Boom. Oh, it's upside down. It is what it is, man. I finally got it on. And yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the negative pulse back off, and then find out which speaker wire is what. I got, like I said, everything on this one is labeled. I'm gonna I'm tired, guys. I'm frustrated. I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out how to do the speakers. And for those that's wondering, considering that all forums and YouTube videos don't know how to like tell you which is what, let me turn this off before I blow a fuse. This is the part that you want to snip off. Considering that I don't have a actual wiring harness for it, but that's the one you want to snip off. You want to go on the first side, and then you want to look up your gray. That is your accessory. Your blue with yellow, that is your constant, and your ground is brown. Now there's going to be three browns, which was very frustrating for me. Tape off the one that has blue, brown and black. I don't know which brown is what, but I got this one. This brown. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you guys. I got this brown right here. Like I said, it's gonna be two browns that's gonna be identical. Even the one with the brown with the gray stripe, they're both gonna be brown with gray stripes. So just see which is what, and you're good. You're welcome. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tape those three off, and then fiddle with the speaker wires, see which is what, and then it's smooth sailing from here. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect my dimmer and my illumination. I don't know if that's necessary, but I'll probably just do it just for the hell of it. So yeah, catch you guys in the next clip. Alright, so like I said, I got this radio to work, and I was trying my best to figure out which speaker is what, and I actually got this playing, so I was trying to fiddle with the speakers, and I don't hear any sound just yet. So what I'm going to do tomorrow after work is take these doors off one by one, and then figure out which speaker is what, so that way I can go ahead and tie it into them. And as you guys can tell, it did get dark, and it's like almost 8 o'clock. It's almost time for me to go to sleep so I can go to work. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? So it's been a couple days later, and I got the radio put in. The fitment looks real good. Now as for this bezelment, it didn't come with the radio. You do have to buy a kit for this car. It's really simple. All you have to do is going to be like one screw on each side. You just got to take off, and then the 3 screws from your old factory you got to take off as well, and then just put them where it's supposed to be, and boom, it fits. Basically, you can't mess that up. So also, when you putting this back on, make sure you take off your negative posts. I thought I messed up my climate control when I plugged it back in, because this thing keep blinking and stuff, but everything works now. If you guys are looking up your accessory, constant, and ground, your accessory is gray, your constant is blue and yellow, and your ground is brown. Now I told you guys I did snip these off. This is the gray, and this is the white. This is where your speakers are. The gray is like your power and stuff. Now this car did come with a stock amp. It's pink and blue. It's a pink and blue wire. You just follow that, and boom. After that, you got to go to your speakers. But as for your speaker wires, you're gonna have to fiddle with that on your own, because I totally forgot which is what. I just fiddled with which 2 speaker wires goes to which door, and just match it up, and boom, we're in there. And just to show you guys, boom, I'm going to be playing some non-copyrighted music so I don't get a copyright strike. Do I got this turned all the way down, or maybe up? Hit agree, and let's play. Wait, hold on. Check that out. All the speakers in here work. That is loud to be volume number 7. And yeah, guys, that is the stereo installation. I hope this video actually helps somebody out, especially me, like, demonstrating which wire goes where. But yeah, stereo is installed, all that fun jazz. And yeah, I finally got some music in here. So now the next thing I have to fix is my sub bass. I think my sub bass is clapped. Anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't done so. Turn on that post notification bell so that way you know every time when I post. With that being said, guys, I'm out. Love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.